Hey guys, Max here from Megaphone Marketing, and today I want to talk about a very new, exciting feature that Facebook's released that allows you to actually spy on your competitors and see what ads are they running and look at how effective those ads are. And if you haven't checked it out already, I highly recommend it. If you want the best digital marketing tactics to grow your business, then hit the subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. So essentially a few weeks ago, and I think partially related to Cambridge Analytica and Facebook trying to be a more transparent company, they've released a feature where now if you're looking at a competitor's Facebook page, there's an info and ads tab. And by clicking that, you can actually see every single ad that Facebook page is currently running. And why that's so powerful for you as an advertiser or us as an agency is we can not only look at the ads they're running, but we can try to understand the entire funnel and try to understand how they're engaging with people, how do they move them down that buying decision funnel to make customers have a purchasing decision. We can also look at that as a reference point, because if you're targeting the same audience, you know what information your competitor's putting in front of them. And so we can leverage that to make your points of difference more compelling. So that way, when that individual is seeing the ads head to head, we can have the most engaging or the ad that's really going to drive the action that we want. So if you haven't already done it, I highly recommend you think about 3 competitors or 3 brands that you think are doing advertising really well. Jump into that tab, have a look at what they're doing. Think about the psychology behind the ads. Think about the imagery they're using. Think about the text that they're using and see what you can learn for your own campaigns. I hope you found that useful. If you'd like to get in touch with one of the people from the Megaphone team to look at your competitors' ads, would love to do that for you. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.